I want to welcome you to the heart of Collingwood. Minutes drive from Blue Mountain Village, Wasaga Beach and other beaches, as well as historic downtown Collingwood. This place is absolutely gorgeous. Hi everybody, Rahim Ajani with the Realtors Collective at Century 21. I'd like to introduce you to 94 McLean Avenue. Now you might ask yourself, what's better than a house in the middle of Collingwood? A brand new, never lived in house in the middle of Collingwood. It's fully upgraded. Come inside, let's take a look. Thanks for taking the time to view this beautiful home with me. If you have any questions, my contact info is right here. Give me a call. I look forward to seeing you soon.